Hi guys, first thing I do is my base. I'm using the foundation from Revlon. Pick a foundation that exactly matches your skin tone. Swipe on the side on the face, the color that blends in and disappears is the right shade. Next, concealer to get rid of any pigmentation. I'm using the concealer under my eyes and generously on every single scars and spots. And I'm gonna take a face brush and set my face using some translucent powder for the makeup to last long. I'm using a brow pen to fill my brows for a more defined look. Next, I'm using my kohl pencil and lining my eyes very close to the lash line. This can be messy and does not need to be neat. Then I'm taking a pencil brush and blending the line back and forth until the straight line fades away. Then taking some black eyeshadow using the tip of the brush and place it on top of the kohl pencil. Then I'm using a dark brown shade using a blending brush and placing it top of the smoked out liner. Next, I'm taking some gold shade and highlighting the inner corner of the eyelids and the brow bone. Next, onto bronzer and blush. I'm using a bronzer on the sides of the face, forehead and jawline. That gives a healthy glow and evens out the skin. I'm applying the cream blush using a sponge and applying it on the cheeks. Since I have product underneath, I prefer a sponge to the fingers, so the foundation underneath does not move. At last, I'm applying some lip color and that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching.